Hello students, in this video we will learn how to solve linear equation by cross multiplication method. On my channel I have already explained how to solve linear equation by substitution method and by elimination method. And if you have any doubts in these two methods, you can go through the videos whose link I have shared in the description. And now let's do the third method, which is known as cross multiplication method. So this is one of the easiest method. For this method I'll just give you one trick. With that trick you can easily solve any linear equation with the help of cross multiplication method. So let's start. I have already written a pair of linear equations. You can see 2x plus 3y is equals to 2, x minus 2y equals to 8. So when we are solving any linear equation with the help of cross multiplication method, first of all what you have to do, shift everything. See here we have x term, y term and constant term. So each and every term should be shifted to left hand side. See, in equation, this is the sign of equality. This side of sign of equality is known as left side and this is right side. So everything should be on left side when we are solving the equation by cross multiplication method. So I'll do that. So equation first will become 2x plus 3y. So when this 2 I am shifting to other side. See, this is positive 2, nothing is there, that means the plus sign is there. When this 2 I am shifting to other side, it will be changed to minus 2 is equals to 0. X minus 2y. So first equation is done. Second one also we will be doing same thing. X minus 2y is equals to 8. So this 8 also should be shifted to left hand side. So I'll do that. X minus 2y. See, this is positive 8. Nothing is there, that means it's a plus sign only. So positive 8, when you are shifting to other side, it will be changed to minus 8. Now both the equations I have got here, and always remember when you are writing any linear equations. So here you can see the first equation is 2x plus 3y minus 2 is equals to 0. And in second equation you can see x minus 2y. So what we will do, if nothing is there, no coefficient is there, write 1. So that always we will be sure of the coefficients of x and y. So if nothing is there, before itself write the coefficient of that variable as 1. Here x coefficient was nothing, so I wrote 1 here. Now our equations are ready. You just have to remember one code here which I am going to tell you now. The code is 2312. So the code for doing this question is 2312. Always remember 2312. So you will always, this question easily you will be able to do. So now what is the meaning of 2 here? 2 means in these equations, see, in this equation, this will be known as 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So the terms with x 1, the terms with y 2 and the constant terms 3. So 2 means I have to write these terms. So when you are writing, write only numbers, don't write the variables. So in place of 2, I'll write 3 and minus 2. Because with y 3 is there, second terms we are seeing second. See, first terms are the terms which has x, second terms are the terms which has y, third are the constant terms. So in this order only you have to write the equation always. So only numbers, don't write here y also. So the coefficients of y I have written 3 and minus 2, don't ignore any sign also. Now third, under 3 you see minus 2 and minus 8. Under 1, 2, 1. If you are writing like this 1, 2, 3, easily you can write. So 2, 1. Now again 2 we have already written, same thing we will write 3 minus 2. So now what we will do, we'll find the value. So this is very important part of this question. This will only help us to solve the question now. Now I'll write x. So this part only I have to choose when I am finding the value of x. This 2 3 and this 1 2, like this we are going to choose. Now x I'll write as the, so one like a fraction we are writing now. X I am writing the numerator of that fraction, and what I have to write here, I have to multiply this like this, always in this order from left to right. Don't do like this first and this. So from left to right, 3 into minus 8. 3 into minus 8 directly itself will multiply. 3 into minus 8 is minus 24 minus 2 into minus 2. So minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. So first what I have done, I've multiplied. See, from left to right we have to go left to right. So 3 into minus 8. 3 into minus 8 I have done. 3 into minus 8 is minus 24, then minus. Then this minus will always come. Then these two, minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2, actually 2 and 2 sign, minus and minus will get cancelled. So 2 into 2, 4. So this minus this. X by this number will write now this. Here it's numerator we will write 1. Same process will follow. From left to right will multiply. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. 2 into minus 2. 1 minus sign means answer is negative. So minus 4. Here again minus, this minus sign will always come. This 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 1. Here we have multiplied. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Minus 3 into 1 is 3. Now x by minus minus plus with the minus sign. So minus 24 minus 4 is minus 28. This is 1 by, again same, minus minus is plus. So with the minus sign, so minus 7. Now x value, same process we'll find. We will use when we are finding x value, that means other than x we have to shift everything to other side. So this is getting divided by x. When this we are shifting to other side, it will become minus 28 by minus 7, because it is in denominator. When you are shifting it to other side, it will go here. Minus and minus sign will get cancelled. 7 into 1 is 7. 7 into 4 is 28. So x value we have found 4. So easily we calculated the value of x as 4. And don't change the sign here because it is negative. So when you are shifting to other side, it will become plus. No, when this is getting divided, so when we are shifting it to other side, it is actually going up. So that means its sign should not be changed. It is minus 28, minus 28 only you have to shift to other side. Now let's find the value of y. For finding the value of y, same process will follow. Some numerator will write y, and then this side, whatever you have found this side for x, same only you can write. So 1 upon minus 4 by minus 3, minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 we got. So directly I'll write now. So you can see here in second step we got. So when you are finding y's value, do it directly. Write y by this number is equals to, this side is same what we wrote for x. For y also this is same. Now for y, 3 1, middle one we will be using this one. Now ignore this part. For y we will be using this part and this one. Same process. This left to right will multiply. We have to multiply. First we have to start like this only. Minus 2 into into 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 into 1 will multiply. That is minus 2. Then again minus sign. Minus 8 into 2 is minus 16. Minus 8 into 2 is minus 16. Because one negative number, minus 8 into 2 is minus 16. One minus sign means answer is negative only. So it has become y upon minus 2. See here, whenever two signs are together, make these two signs a single sign. Minus minus plus by 16 is equals to 1 by minus 7. Now we can solve it further. Y by 16 minus 2. 16 minus 2 is 14 is equals to 1 by minus 7. Now this 14 we will shift to other side. So y is equals to 14 by minus 7. So you can also write it as 7 into 1 is 7, 7 into 2 is 14. So this minus sign is there. So that means answer will be negative. So y's value is equals to minus 2. So here we have successfully solved this linear equation. So pair of linear equations, we have found the values of x and y. X is equals to 4 and y is equals to minus 2. This method is known as cross multiplication. So one method I have solved, you can see one question I have solved. Now one practice question I will give it to you and you will see whether you have understood it or not. So you all can write the question. The question is 3x plus 2y is equals to 12 and x minus y plus 1 is equals to 0. You can solve this question and post your answers in the comment section and I'll see whether you have done it correctly or not. Thank you so much for watching the video.